Okay, guys, have fun, but can y'all please not be on your phones the whole time?
Alex? Where'd you go?
Hey, Mr. Kidnapper, where'd you put my phone at?
Fine. Now we'll see how you act without a phone.
OMG, I'm so excited to actually be a hostage. Yay. Oh my gosh, I need to post this to my story.
What? No. Where do you keep getting these phones from?
You really made me use my backup phone? This thing is basically ancient history. Egyptian, prehistoric. It's over 5 months old.
No more phone for you.
Oh, Mr. Kidnapper, my phone just went off. Can you please let me see who texted me?
Oh, fine. This is the perfect opportunity to let Sam know.
Who just texted me? Diction. Well, guess I'm never seeing her again. But I can't do that. Who's gonna wash the dishes when we get home? Fine, I guess I have to go save her. Hey, can I please borrow your phone? No. I promise it will only take a second. No. Hey! Yeah, shh. Wait, my phone! That's it, I'm going to close. Hello? If you wish to find Alex, you must find where the back meets the top. What the heck does that mean? Ugh, this sucks. It's not even August yet, and I have to use my brain. Where the back meets the top, back meets the top. Hold on. Back? That could mean the back of the mall. And the top could mean the top floor. What? There are no more clues? Hold on. The only way to figure out where the kidnapper is to give up my phone, just like he said. He must be in one of these rooms. Kidnapped sister? This must be it.
She's here!
Ah! Ooh, is that the collectible knife from TikTok Shop?
What the tic-tac to TikTok? Is that like the craft store down the street?
Don't come any closer or I'll kill her.
Please, kidnapper, I'll do anything. I'll get off my phone. I'll destroy my computer if you want me to get disconnected so badly.
Well, if you insist.
I'm your father.
What?
How could you do all this?
Well, recently y'all have been on your phones all the time, and I wanted to disconnect you from your phones. And it's been taken away from our bonding time. Also, those phones are the devil.
I thought you said the IRS was the devil.
No,
Yeah, dummy, he said that the SPCA was the devil.
no, it's those damn phones!
Did you have to kidnap Alex for this?
I'm sorry. Here. I'm sorry. Group hug.
Officer, that's the girl that stole my phone!
Oh, fudge!